Hi, I am Chelsea from the Oregon Department of Revenue. I'm going to talk about how to fill out the Authorization to Represent form that authorizes the Oregon Department of Revenue to disclose your confidential tax information to your authorized representative and allows that representative to make decisions on your behalf. The person you authorize must meet the qualifications listed in the form's instructions. We recommend you read the instructions before filling out this form. Make sure you print clearly, complete the entire form, and use blue or black ink. Here's more information.
Part 1 is where you will list your personal or business information. Fill out your phone number. If you're completing the form as an individual taxpayer, include the last four of your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. If you're completing the form for a business, include the business identification number or the federal employer identification number. Next, make sure to completely fill out your address. It will need to match the address we have on file. So if you need to update your address on file, make sure to do so before submitting the form. Here's part 2. List your authorized representative and their phone number. If they're part of a firm, organization, or agency, include their business name and title. Enter their email and address. Next, you'll enter their relationship to you. Remember, an authorized representative must meet the qualifications to represent you before the Oregon Department of Revenue. The representative's CPA, state bar number, or Oregon license number must go in the box if that's how they qualify. Below, the representative must sign and date, and when they do so, they're attesting that they meet the qualifications to represent under Oregon law. In Part 3, you're authorizing your representative to represent you for all tax years and all tax programs, unless the authorization is limited in this section. In Part 4, if you wish to revoke previous authorizations to represent, initial here. Here's Part 5. Make sure you read the taxpayer declaration before signing, dating, and writing out your name. Part 5 is the taxpayer declaration and signature section. When you sign and write out your name and date, you are acknowledging that your authorized representative may receive your confidential tax information and that actions taken by your authorized representative are binding on you, even if an authorized representative isn't an attorney. Also, if you're a corporate officer, partner, fiduciaries, or other qualified persons signing on behalf of a taxpayer, you're under penalties for false swearing, also certifying and declaring that you have authority to execute this form. We recommend you double-check the form, make sure it's complete prior to submitting through one of the ways listed at the top. Thanks for watching.